If you love cracking your knuckles, you're not alone. But do you know what's actually making that sound? Spoiler, it's not your bones. That popping noise, it's cavitation. A tiny gas bubble forms in the joint's synovial fluid. Pull or bend a finger, pressure falls. Gases come out of solution. That forms a bubble. Snap. A sharp popping sound. The bubble can hang around up to 20 minutes. Which is why you can't crack the same knuckle again right away. Does it harm you? Short answer, probably not. Long-term studies show habitual cracking isn't linked to arthritis, but aggressive twisting can strain ligaments or irritate tissues, so don't force it. Go ahead if it feels good. Be gentle. Myth busted. Cracking is a pain-free habit, not arthritis. Moderation is the key.